Children as young as 5 worked in British factories, 14 hours a day, 6 days a week. Some were chained to the machines, so they couldn't run away. They called them apprentices. Mill owners took orphans from workhouses by the cartload. Nobody stopped them for decades. Then one man decided to fight. Lord Shaftesbury was an aristocrat. He had nothing to gain from this fight. He visited the factories himself, the coal mines, the textile mills. He saw children beneath the machines collecting cotton waste. Some lost fingers, some lost limbs, and some even lost their lives. Shaftesbury brought it to Parliament. They laughed at him. Factory owners said children wanted to work, that regulation would destroy the economy. He kept going. Year after year. 1833. No child under 9 in textile mills. 1842. No women or children underground in mines. 1847. No more than 10 hours a day for women and children. Each one fought for. Each one resisted. Each one passed. Factory owners said it would ruin Britain. It didn't. Britain became the wealthiest nation on earth, and children went to school instead of factories. Every workplace protection you have today started here. All because one man looked at what was happening to children and said, "This has to stop." Become the reason stories like this are still alive. Support our mission at proudofus.co.uk/support. Be part of us. Be proud of us.